Take one. Scene one.
Alright guys, welcome to the video. I'm super excited because we're actually on our way to the UP, which is probably around 7 hours away. So Justin and I are right here, and we're gonna go look at the Corvette that I was talking about last video. I know it really shouldn't have came this early, but we just kind of saw a good one, and I've been searching for about 2 months now, and I got one, and I'm ready to go see it.
Take three.
So I found one.
Alright, cut. Scene one, take three, take two, action.
So I found one, really excited. It's a good one. It's got like 9 owners, which is a lot, but no accidents. So I'm just happy it's straight. But we did bring something, Justin, didn't we?
We did bring something.
So
I probably should have turned it the other way. So did you guys.
take two. We did bring something, right?
Action.
Yeah. Well, we got the whole gang.
Hello.
The whole fam's going up north. I don't know how it started, but we kind of just started freaking talking, and everyone decided to make like a trip out of it because this is pretty cool to go see. And there's like, I don't know, it's the UP. If you know, you know.
We're gonna go to Pictured Rocks homes, you know.
Go see some frozen waterfalls.
We were supposed to go snowboarding, but oh.
Nobody wants to drive 4 hours to go to Mount Bohemian.
Yeah.
Hey, but Franken. So I'm not really sure what this video is gonna look like. We're just gonna go look at a car. It's just a really long road trip, but the UP is really cool. So I'm just gonna bring you guys along and show you all the cool stuff, pretty much.
And see.
Good clip, guys. No one? Alright. 3 people. 4? 4 people? 5, 6? 5, 6? 5, 6? 5, 6? There it is! We vlog it! We are about to head over the bridge.
What's the bridge, Tyler?
God dang freaking Mackinac Bridge, son!
Thank God he said that because I was gonna say Milwaukee.
Milwaukee Bridge.
Oh, you non-Michigander, you. I'm in northern
I just want to say,
Michigan.
I'm just so happy all my friends are here to experience this moment.
We would try it.
Good morning, everyone. I will do a house tour when we get back, but for now, just Matt and I got up and we are gonna go get some breakfast. So there's a little store nearby. Obviously, I didn't emphasize the UP. It's all rural, right? Like there's nothing around anywhere. So we're gonna try to get to the nearest like kind of grocery store and get some food and try to make some breakfast.
Cause we hungry.
We all feel like just an empty stomach because we've been up until 4:30 a.m. I don't know why. I blame Matt.
Might be my fault. Just a little.
UP's looking really pretty, as always. They just get so much snow.
There's really not. I feel like there's supposed to be a lot more snow.
Yeah, like I bet at some points this is like 3 feet high in the road.
Yeah, like ridiculous.
Got us a little family fare supermarket.
Yes, we do.
Towards us though.
Dalton, the photographer, is trying to get this eagle that just landed. Oh, the eagle has landed.
The eagle is landed.
Well, Ty, what are we doing today?
We are moments away from leaving to go get this Corvette. But first, I think we have to do a house tour. Let's check out this view. Frick. The water is a little bit icy. There's chunks of ice out there, but it's not completely ice. So we can, obviously you see our footprints that went down, but we couldn't actually walk on it. We got our deck out there that we are getting a lot of use out of. Couch, very comfortable. We're gonna take it down this hallway. We got the first bathroom, pretty nice, decent. We got no lights. Very nice decor. Hanging towels. Look at this, bro. This has got some. Still works. On our first room on the left here, we got the first guest bedroom that Stick is sleeping at. Now, we woke everyone up at about 9 o'clock and then ditched them this morning to go get groceries. They were all very upset about it while they're waiting for us to go get groceries in the kitchen there. Then we got the main bedroom over here. This is Matt and I's bedroom. Very nice. Oh, we gotta tell them about the heated floors in the bathroom.
It's not heated.
This is heated?
It's not heated.
It's not?
Nope. There's a vent under there.
Alright, so it's poor man heated. The vent under there blows on the tile, feels really good on the feet. Very nice room, very nice room. Bed. I'll give it a 7.9, very hard but very large, so man, I didn't touch once. Second guest bedroom, Dalton's and Kyle's room over here, very nice. I think this is oak with a glass top. Very well done, Dalton. Nice pick. And then Justin's room.
That's not Justin's room.
Yeah. Justin's room. Alright, going downstairs, we have a fireplace that honestly puts out an amazing heat. Couches, elliptical, and then a not a pool table, jeepers. Poker table, that's very nice, and then a globe. So we're sophisticated. But again, with the view, it is actually really nice. All jokes aside, it is a really beautiful house. The view is amazing, obviously, as you can see. Dalton, obviously you know Dalton, he's our tech guy. He brought the Switch. We did get a sauna in the house, which is really cool. Ping pong table. We honestly played this for what, Dalton? Last night, 4 hours? It was amazing. We had a great time, and then Justin's room over here. That is the whole house, so we're super happy we did this. Beautiful house, everyone's really happy with it. We're all having a great time besides the whole incident this morning with the grocery shopping. That's alright.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're about... Matt, always calling out the take ones. Alright, so we're about 10 minutes away. I don't think I'm actually going to pull out the camera because it makes it a little weird, but I'm going to check it out, and hopefully the next clip, we're driving a Corvette home.
So, Matt, what you guys do?
You know, in our fashion, we decided to drive up into the middle of nowhere in the UP of Michigan in the middle of January to buy a Corvette that is on street tires, has no traction control or ABS, and drive it home 7 hours.
Over a really big bridge.
There she is.
Over a really big bridge.
But
Here we are.
here we are, and we're gonna do it because that's what we do. Make dumb decisions and have fun doing them.
Justin Tyre in there right now. Got Matt driving. Got Dalton and Kyle back here. Chilling. Matt over here. I wish you guys could hear him. I'm gonna put this a little closer. He really needs to poop. I'm sure that's what Ty's face looked like when he almost hit that wall too. All I hear is this guy breathing so heavy. There you go, Justin.
I was gonna get you over more, but that's good.
Sounds good. Sounds good. You wanna hear it? Smells like oil.
So, Ty?
Well, guys, we bought a Corvette. It's not the best, I'm not gonna lie, but it's honestly, it is what it is. It's a $9,000 Corvette. I paid $9 grand for it. It's got a bunch of cosmetic things wrong with it. However, mechanically, there's not really not much wrong with it at all, right?
Almost hit a guardrail on the way here.
We almost hit a guardrail. Did you guys tell him?
No, so we didn't tell him yet.
So,
5
I
minutes into
feel
the drive.
from my experience,
Here, let
from
me explain. I'm
my
the passenger.
experience, I push things to the limit right away, so you know the limit, and then you're like, okay, there it is. Now I'll back off.
He was a little shy after he almost hit the guardrail.
I just wanted to get home. I just wanted to get home.
You can definitely
Maybe I
tell
should drive
the pedal was a little lighter after that had happened.
You really think I was 6 inches, huh?
No.
Dude.
It's about putting it
$225 for the coolant stuff right now.
No, if he was gonna
It's got the red interior. I'm not like thrilled on it, but honestly, it's fine for what I want. This car's honestly perfect. Cosmetically, got a few things wrong with it, but mechanically, it's pretty sound, you know? But there's a lot of things I want to go through with it. There's the fans. How's that coolant temp now? The engine light came on, so we gotta stop it auto.
The engine light's been on.
Where's that? 223.
So are you happy?
Yeah, I haven't really like showed my emotions, but I am thrilled about this. I've been looking for this car for a little while. There's a lot that I want to do to it. However, I'm gonna go through like in another video I'm gonna tell you all I want to do with it. For now, I'm just getting the car and kind of seeing what I got. I just want to get home now. As Stick said, I did spin out, so I'm kind of taking it easy now. But I just want to get it home. It drives decent at like 65. 65 is like that sweet spot. It can go to like 75, maybe 80, but it starts to kind of shake a lot. But we're about to go create the thumbnail in the front. We want to get the car in the front and the whole house in the background.
Read really closely, you can see that knob right over there.
Apparently that's picture rock and it's a period.
Part of it, part of it.
Part of it.
Ha! Son!
It's like Step Brothers.
Whoa. Don't mess with David's lamp.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. David has a nice lamp. All right, let's go. Let's muck out of here.
You want to put Mux on?
Mucks and pick.
Shotgun.
It's unlocked. It's fucking cold. Oh god!
Justin's about to do the first cold start. I want to see how it sounds. Alright, it starts.
Not bad.
She's perfect.
They're like, these kids are either really dumb or they're really smart.
really dumb.
Look at our friend.
I'm
Look at our friend.
fine, okay?
Hey, yo, you're pretty solid.
Hey, you're good. Hey, that's plenty.
Oh yeah.
This should be a Chevy commercial.
Yep.
Like back in the day, you know?
I was straddling the Corvette.
Pretty salty, eh?
Yeah.
This thing's pretty, like, it's not bad.
It's rough, but it's perfect rough.
You need a new badge.
Yeah, definitely a
A
new
badge.
Right now it looks like an RX-7 from the front.
Yeah.
With those ugly ass fucking headlights.
Why are you guys roasting my headlights, dude? Like, I want to get pop-ups, but it doesn't seem as emergency. It's like the bumper for you guys. Just like the JDM bumper.
Well, yeah, of course.
They're a little
That's gonna be
salty.
the new JDM bumper.
Yeah.
You just gotta get the flush ones.
Ready? So does everyone really think the headlights are that bad?
Oh, dude, did you see that?
Justin, how do you feel?
Do you see that?
They're great. I like them.
Alright, let's hurry up.
Do
I
it
gotta
again.
poop again.
What is with you?
Absurd.
No one's supposed to poop as much as you do.
Trying to smash
Everyone's
it, but-
trying to claim their spot on my door when we start drifting these things.
I put mine right here.
Alright, I don't care as long as you hit the door. Like, only doors.
I want it right here.
No, this is off guard.
That's where I'm aiming though.
Doors.
Tyler's got this whole side right here.
Almost lost this guy today, but we saved
That
her.
was good, dude.
Were you scared?
I was not scared, but I thought we were crashing into the rail for sure.
Yeah.
It wouldn't have been hard. Like, we would have
We'd have
like,
tapped it.
come into a stop.
We would have impacted it for sure though.
Yeah, probably would have left a little scratch.
Yeah. But super happy about it. I don't know if I can like express that in the video because I don't know, I'm not really good at showing emotions. But not really sure what we're gonna do for the rest of the night, so I'm just gonna film as we go and see what we're gonna do.
Peace out.
Nope, not yet, Justin.
Oh, okay.
Nope. We're gonna get home and then close the video.
Oh.
And then we'll do, dude, let's do a review on my car and your car because we haven't introduced like the S13 yet.
All right, my car doesn't drive, but we'll get it there.
Mine does,
You can drive it over.
as long as we get it home. Are we live, though? All right, guys. Well, we tried. We sent it down the driveway. Now we have a steep driveway and we have a big mission to accomplish. Matt wants to describe this. He's excited for it. He's crept it through the wheels. Alright. Dude, you're in two-wheel drive. Whoa.
The nuts.
I'm
The beer.
The beer's fine.
beer.
The beer is fine.
Stay your head.
My head.
My head.
We're watching UFC, alright?
Oh, now it's getting serious.
I'll tie. It's 9 a.m. Sunday morning. About to go home. It's already snowing.
Yeah, I went out there. There's like an inch out there.
Got what? 7 hours? 7 hours.
Once we can lower you, lower.
Yeah, no, once we hit the bridge and we cross the bridge, we should be good. Cause I don't think.
Not good, but better.
Good, not great.
Good, not great.
Hey, good job, guys. Hey, we wait one minute.
You gotta make it through this now.
Alright guys, so we are actually in the Corvette. We're driving home. As you can tell, we're going to have a long drive ahead of us. We got about a 7-hour drive. It's going to be like this and probably maybe even a little worse. But we made it home with the Corvette. I'm not really gonna go into this car until we're gonna make a separate video for that, but super happy. So much fun with all the friends to go out and make a trip like that. It was really fun. I'm very grateful I have friends like that, to be honest. But very happy about this car. I know I haven't had a lot of emotion about this, but I am very excited about this. We all have drift cars now, most of us anyway. So this year is our year. Matt, you got anything to say? I feel like you always have something to say, so just say it.
I don't know. Stay tuned for a bunch of new content. Drift season is upon us. Peace out. Have a good night.